Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the comparison of variable reluctance and permanent magnet stepper motor. Basically there are two types available: variable reluctance stepper motor, permanent magnet stepper motor. So in this video we will compare these two type of motor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Variable reluctance stepper motor available, the first column. Permanent magnet stepper motor available in the second column. Right. The first point is the rotor is not magnetized, but the rotor is magnetized because of permanent magnet. It is magnetized. High torque to inertia ratio. Here low torque to inertia ratio. Here the high torque is available. High rate of acceleration, but here the acceleration is low. The dynamic response is fast, very slow dynamic response. So we are having more advantage in the variable reluctance stepper motor. That is high torque, inertia ratio available, high rate of acceleration, dynamic response is also fast. Here it is low torque ratio, low acceleration, very slow dynamic response. Now we'll see the further detail. It can be manufactured for large number of poles. It cannot be manufactured for large number of poles due to the constructional difficulties. Because this variable reluctance stepper motor, we can go for large number of poles. But here due to the permanent magnet, this rotor having the permanent magnet, so it is very difficult to manufacture for a large number of poles. Very small step angle is possible. Here step angles are high in the range of 30 to 90 degree. Right? The step angle also very less here. It does not have deadened torque, but it have the deadened torque. Deadened torque is without excitation, some amount of torque is available. That is called a deadened torque. So due to the permanent magnet we are getting this. But here the coils are available. Only when it is excited we will get the torque. But here due to permanent magnet, even the unexcited condition we are getting the torque. So this is called a deadened torque. I will see another two more points available. The rotor has salient pole construction. The rotor has mostly smooth cylindrical type of construction. So a salient pole, this means projected. Salient pole means projected poles are available. Here this smooth cylindrical type because it is permanent magnet. So due to the name itself we can easily identify. Because of permanent magnet it is smooth cylindrical. Number of phases are less. Step angle is more, like that. The last point is maximum stepping rate is as high as 1200 pulses per second. It has only 300 pulses per second. So here the 1200 pulses, here only 300 pulses. So the variable reluctance stepper motor having more advantage, right? High starting torque, dynamic response, step angle is small, large number of poles, and maximum stepping rate is available. But here it is lesser. But for specific application we are using permanent magnet because the coils poles are having permanent magnet. Deadened torque is available. Based on that we can use this permanent magnet stepper motor for a particular applications. So in this video we discuss the comparison of variable reluctance stepper motor and permanent magnet stepper motor. We discuss the points one by one. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.